I needed a break, so I told myself that and disappeared for a whole month. It felt like a magic teleport. Suddenly, I was back in my home country, where life seems to move so much slower. I rested, wandered through the forest, lay in the shade of peach tree and read a book, watched clouds as fluffy as cotton candy. Look at this. And ate free fruits. This is my favorite. While I was there, I found some of my old works from my second year at the academy. I wish I had found more, but even few pictures brought back memories. I remember how much effort and time I poured into them. I even painted icons, which hold great importance for Slavic people, and that's why it was part of our studies too. One of them even had craquelure already. And two of my paintings are still hanging in my parents' house, which felt really sweet. Oh, and my mom and I baked pear pie. Well, she baked and I just peeled the pears, but it still counts, right? Then another teleport and I was back on my way to Edinburgh with a huge pimple on my chin. If you saw my last video, you know I was dealing with burnout and stress right before my birthday. It happens almost every year. But now that my birthday has passed, I feel calmer, more accepting, and slowly getting back into rhythm. I've been preparing prints for my art letter club, link in bio if you'd like to join. And a little fun fact, if I had more time to make videos, this channel would probably be about cooking, because I love it. In fact, in this vlog I'm making sandwiches with super delicious breads I brought at the farmer's market, along with veggies that smells like real vegetables. Right now, most of my focus is on preparing for my solo exhibition, which is coming up in a few months. I still need to finish the brochure and invitation mock-ups and create a few more artworks. Honestly, I'm so nervous about how it will go. Fingers crossed. I also caught a few last warm days here in Edinburgh. I walked around in village, ate ice cream and even had to share with a bee that wanted some too. I'm also filming a whole separate vlog of walking around the city. It will be super cozy. When I was studying to be an artist, No one ever told me that most of my time wouldn't be spent painting, but instead answering emails and creating content. Luckily, I actually love creating content. By the way, I do have pets now. I just forgot to tell you. They've been with me for about a month already. And if you see this mess, well, that means I'm back.